You want to replace the tips on your AirPods Pro, but you're not sure how? Well, you've got the right video. Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ear tips on your AirPods Pro. Whether you want to replace them with another silicone ear tip, or maybe you want to move into some of the memory foam tips, like the Wicked Orange that I have right here, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the way, if you are wondering where you can actually grab some replacement ear tips from silicone or from our memory foam tips, there is a link at the top right corner right now or in the description below. Go check us out, and don't forget, you're getting a 365-day warranty with every Wicked Cushions product. If you don't like it, simply shoot me a message and we'll refund you immediately. Now, let me move you to the top of the table and I'll show you how you're going to replace the ear tips on your AirPods Pro. Okay, so first of all, I'll start off by saying that every memory foam ear tip that we sell comes in 3 sizes: the large, medium, and small. I personally use the large. Now let me show you how do you remove the original ones. So they start off like this. This is the silicone ones, and then you want to pull them like that. You want to hold it from this area right here and gently pull it out. You see how it came out? And it's out. This one was a little bit tricky, that one. Now, the way that these install on is, I'll try to make it as, I don't know if you'll see it, but I'll try to zoom in as much as possible. There are 2 ridges on the sides of each AirPods Pro. And inside of the silicone tip, there are also 2 ridges on the sides as well. So the memory foam tips have the same thing. They have 2 ridges on the inside, which I'll try to make it as clear as possible for you to see. Excuse me if I cannot. And then all you got to do, as simple as that, you're just going to align the ridges with the ridges on the AirPods Pro. And then you'll hear a little click once it's in. That's it, this one's in. And then this one is in as well. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me by leaving a comment in the comment section or emailing us with the contact information that we have in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I'll see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.